Hey guys, it's your girl Carolyn Marie and welcome to today's new video. As you can see, I have some rollers in my hair and I look like I'm from the 50s or 60s. I mean, I kind of intentionally did that because I threw on the polka dotted top as well, kind of to just, you know, send the message home. But that's not really why we're here today. We're here to talk about some little like hair tips, secrets for you curly girls that might be struggling with some like annoying curly girl problems, like different curl patterns or maybe losing your curl pattern. If you've seen any of my videos in the past, you'll know that I used DevaCurl and I lost a lot of my curl pattern. The bottom half of my hair was super straight and the top was super curly. It is now getting a lot better now that I've stopped using DevaCurl, but it's still only kind of wavy and the top is really super curly. Now, do I normally do this all the time? No, but if I'm going out with my friends or if I just want to look extra good in a video or something like that, and I just want my hair to be a little perkier, I'll do this. But on my day-to-day, no, of course not. That would be a lot. But this trick also trains your curls. So if you do it every day, you can get better curls. Like the ones in the back here, I've been using them at night and sleeping in, and oh my gosh, like I have curls back again on the bottom. These are just your typical foam rollers, foam curl rollers. And I have one here to show you. It's just super typical. It's your typical foam roller. And you just pop it open like this. That's literally how it works, and I just put it in my hair and I snap it. It's really so easy to do. And the thing that's really great about curly hair is that it takes curls really well too. Normally, mine does anyway. So you don't need heat. And heat is really bad for your curl pattern. So if you decided, oh my God, the bottom half of my hair is straight or the top half of your hair is straight and you're trying to match your curl pattern and you go in with a curling wand, you're actually doing more damage to your hair. So you do not want to do that. For the same amount of time, which is crazy to think about it, that it would actually be the same amount of time. If you just pop these in your hair and then spray a tiny bit of water on each one and then a tiny bit of hairspray and let it sit for 20 minutes and then take the hair dryer, but you know, far away with your diffuser on and just kind of let it like heat up a tiny bit. I mean, literally takes the same amount of time and you actually have curls that last a lot longer. I actually didn't even use heat on this today because I was actually going to film videos earlier in the day, but I got a little sidetracked because my dad is helping me with the project and he wanted to build the bottom of a vocal booth. Like we had to put wheels on it and stuff so we can move it around because it's really super heavy. So once it's in place, we can't move it and we actually want to be able to get access to the back of it. Anyway, so I was kind of doing some like hard labor earlier today and I had these in the whole time. So it's probably gonna be super curly, which is fine, but it just goes to show that even if you don't want to use any heat at all, like you don't even want to use your hair dryer, you don't have to. And I'm gonna take these out so you can see. And I have like a bunch in here, so yeah. So I'm just gonna get going and then I'll show you what I do after because then they're gonna be like very like springy and then I'll show you what I do to kind of get it to look all one. Yeah. All right, here we go. Alright, so all the curlers are completely out of my hair, and as you can see, this actually like took a lot of length off my hair because I've had them in for so long, but it's kind of cute. Like I'm kind of digging this, to be honest. But I'm going to grab my mirror so I can really see what this is looking like because I'm just seeing it in my monitor. But I think it's cute, but I want to kind of show you how I like fluff it up and make it real cute. Even though I feel like it's kind of cute right now, but we're gonna make it cuter, okay? And by the way, these foam rollers are by Goody. I got them at my local Rite Aid, but I'll put a link down below for Amazon so you could just get them there so you don't have to go out during this coronavirus catastrophe pandemic. Yeah, like stay home. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to grab my mirror. Honestly, I think this is really cute. So this is on its own. This can just be one look if you want to go for that really cute Shirley Temple kind of curls, like very, very super ringlety, which I like, and that's how my curls used to look like, and that's how my top ones do. If you notice, I left the top ones out of rollers because they look like ringlets, so I didn't want to mess with them, but the bottom ones I want to spruce up and spring up a bit, so that's why I did that there. So you could just leave it like this, or what you can do is flip your head and shake it and then go in with some mousse or some gel. And this is the mousse and the gel I've kind of been using. I've been using this CurlTalk Curl Activating Mousse. This does not have phenylethanol in it like their other products, so that is a good thing. And the Raw Curls gel, this is their firm hold gel, and this is the gel I've been using. I really like this. I do have to say it's like definitely like, you know, it's in your hair though. They also have a medium hold gel, which is probably what I would go with next time I go to purchase, because this is a really strong hold, which is good. It makes your style last for a really long time, but on like day one, sometimes your hair can feel like a little too crunchy. Do you know what I mean? I would definitely try to go for the medium hold if you have hair similar to mine. So now literally what I do is I flip my head and I shake it, and I'm going to back up so you guys can see me do this. And I literally flip my head like pretty hard, like you need to actually flip it hard so some of them fall out a little bit. And you do this and you take your hands and you shake. And you shake and you kind of like mess them up a bit. And this helps with the volume. I know this looks a little crazy, but... And you scrunch up like this. And you flip. And you shake. And you go from side to side. And you flip. And you shake. Someone make a meme of this. And you'll see it got like a bit wilder. Now from there, I'll take my mousse. Woo! That's a lot of mousse, honestly. And I'll take it between my two hands, and I'll do the same thing. I'll flip, and I will scrunch this time, scrunching the curls. Flipping and scrunching, and just looking like a wildebeest. Yes. I'm really just living for the tousledness and the mess. And I should also mention that I did cut my hair, so my hair does look shorter because I did cut it. I know. I did one of those trims. I had to. I was gonna wait, but I couldn't wait till I saw my stylist again. See, I thought that was a lot of mousse, but then like once you start using it, you're like, I need some more. Well, for the back. So I'm gonna flip again. Flip. And I'm gonna scrunch. And then I kind of get all those flyaways. Plus you want the style to hold, because this style could hold for a couple days. And you could look cute for a couple days. Not have to wash your hair, but wash your body. Shower caps, people. And that would be the more loose version, which is more like my natural hair. But, so you can wear it both ways, and I think it's really cute to wear it either way. You could either have this really fluffy, big, fun hair, or you can keep it more like ringlets and Shirley Temple-esque. But it's fun to play with. And if you don't want it to like come up this much and you don't want it this short, you just keep it in for 20 minutes. I had these in for hours, honestly. I normally only keep it in for like 10 or 20 minutes, and I get ringlets and they're a little longer. So depending on your hair type and how much you think it will shrink, probably keep it in for less time if you don't want this like bouncy bob kind of look. If you want the bouncy bob look, keep it in longer. But yeah, this is no heat. I literally put no heat on this. The next step you could do to even like blend everything out more in your hair is take your diffuser and go in with it. So I will grab that so you guys can just kind of get the whole vibe here. I'm back with my diffuser. Yes, I still use my Diva dryer and diffuser little hand thing. I washed it off, but I like it. I do need to try different stuff, so leave one down below that you really like, because I don't like that I'm supporting them in that kind of way, but it's a good dryer, you know? So now that I have this here, what I did in the bathroom was I literally just ran my hands underwater and with those damp hands went through and just re-scrunched again to kind of even blend it even more and get the mousse reactivated. And then what I'll do is go on a low setting here and just diffuse. And I'm gonna back up so you can see me do this. And then once you do all the pieces like that and it completely dries, then what you want to do is take these little fingers and go like down by the root and shake. So here we go. And that's really why I like this one, because I can actually do that almost like my hand would. I could take this and go in. That's why I like this dryer. And then again, nice shake, nice fluff. And there you have it. That is how I do my hair when I really need to do it up and make my curls pop and look great. This is how I do it, and I just use these old school foam rollers that your mom or grandma probably has, and they're cheap too. You can get them for like $10, so it's way cheaper than a curling iron, so you save some money there too, and it takes just as much time, honestly, even less if I'm being honest. And it's really easy to kind of blend it all out, and it just looks really nice. I don't know, I like it a lot. So I just thought I would share this with you because I know there are a lot of people struggling because of the DevaCurl products, and sometimes your hair just starts changing too. You need some help, and these help you out, okay? So I'll have that linked all in the description below, and I'm not by any way like shaming any curl patterns or anything like that. I do really like my curl pattern, but sometimes I just like to look like my old self and be a little bit more bouncy. But I do really like my waves sometimes too, so I'm like getting used to it. I just think right now it's super complicated because the top is very much like this, what you're seeing now, and the bottom is wavy. But it's getting better, so I'm happy about that. That's all getting better, and I hope it is for you guys too if you're struggling with the same thing I struggled with the whole DevaCurl products and losing your curl pattern and scalp irritation and all that stuff. So that's really why I created this video today. I don't know how well this would work on girls with straight hair. You guys would have to probably try it out, and you probably would have to keep the curlers in a bit longer, but I don't know that it would make your hair curly, where curly hair girls can actually train their curl pattern to become curlier if they want to. And these are also great training tools. Like if you sleep on them at night, it helps train your curl pattern. So you're kind of getting a win-win here with using these. But heat straightens out your curls. Even though it's making it curly again, the heat actually fries your hair, which we all know. But I just thought I would mention that if anyone's trying to remedy their situation with more heat and then showering and then just letting your hair air dry and wondering why it's looking worse, that is why. So please stay away from any like irons or curling wands or anything of that nature. But yeah guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can see all my future uploads. And if you guys don't know, I am a singer and songwriter, and I have an album out called Carolyn Marie, After Me. And you can find it on Apple Music, Spotify, iTunes, pretty much wherever they sell digital music, it's there. And you can get a hard copy on my website at www.carolynmariemusic.com. And make sure you follow me over on Instagram. We have a lot of fun over there, and we just hit 50,000 subscribers, or followers. Of course, subscribers is YouTube, but yeah, we just hit 50,000 followers, and we have a lot of fun over there. And yeah, I would love it if you joined me over there as well. I'm on TikTok, same thing, at Carolyn Marie X3. On that note guys, I will see you in my next video, and I love you guys so much.